want to dress like a big boy, like you actually have style, like you got some swag, not like some of these little kids. Don't worry, in this video I'm gonna share some style tips that I've learned along the way. I'm 22 years old and I'm gonna impart it onto the younger generation so you don't look like a hot steaming pile of. First tip, get clothes that fit you. I know that we're in this trend of oversized clothing and whatnot, but something that will never go out of style is wearing clothes that actually complement the way your body is built. If you're a medium, don't get jackets that are large because you're gonna look like you're super tiny in them. But also don't get stuff that's too tight either. And this tip gets even more important when it comes to suits. The best suit is the one that fits you well. So when it comes to suits, get them tailored. It's like $30, $35 and you're gonna keep it for years. Notice I didn't say get expensive clothes. I said get clothes that fit you because those will never go out of style. Just look at this long sleeve that I got from Zara. Look, you can see in the shoulders, you can see they pop out a little bit, but it's not super tight in the waist area. It's comfortable, but it complements my build. Next tip when it comes to dressing better is to wear more accessories. Now I'm not saying to have a ring on every finger, okay? That's tacky. But be intentional with the accessories that you're wearing. Let me take you around. Simple chain going on here. I got some earrings, a watch. That's it. Nothing crazy, but it levels up the outfit. Let me show you the difference without it. Look at this. No chain, no watch, no earrings. I look like a basic GTA character. But when you throw that stuff on, even if it's just one of them, Look at the difference that the chain made to the outfit. It just made it look a little bit more high class, like I put a little bit more effort into it. Start using accessories, use them wisely, don't use everything. It's gonna level up your outfit. The next tip when it comes to dressing better than 90% of men is my favorite. Start wearing basics. Basics are essentially clothes that are solid colors. Now, I'm not trying to stifle your creativity. I'm just saying that you have a lot more options and it's easier to style your clothes when they're solid colors and they don't have these like eccentric designs. I'm gonna use my outfit as an example. I got a gray long sleeve shirt on and a black jacket, but I could easily swap this jacket. Now I'll put on something that is blue. I don't know what specific color this is, and the combination still works because why? My shirt is a solid color. You want to stick to those neutral tone shirts. They're just the easiest to style. Like some examples are olive green, maroon, white, black, your grays, because it gives you more versatility in your outfits because you're able to mix and match different stuff and it actually goes well together. Like look at this, the fit's still hard though. Come on. Before we move on to the next tip, if you've been growing out your hair for a while and you need a little bit of extra help, I got a free hair routine template going over everything you should be doing to your hair from day 1 to day 7 of managing your curls. It's completely free. If you want access to that, go to the description and download it. And while you are down now, you could hit the like button. I'm just saying it's right there. Like you could just tick just a little bit. Next tip for leveling up your style is to use Pinterest for outfit ideas. Bro, when I tell you this actually comes in clutch, just go in, search up men's casual style, men's business attire, go through, find some ideas, and you'll be surprised with outfits that you're able to come up with. Not even that you come up with, that you're able to expand upon when you get the ideas from somewhere else. I used this literally yesterday. I had this black time on because my braids were looking a little crazy, and I was like, I'm going to church. What outfit can I put together with this? I went on Pinterest, searched up the game, put something together. I thought it was, okay. One of my friends came to me and they were like, bro, you look really good. And I was just like, that's that Pinterest, brother. Next step is a simple one. My dad taught me this at a really young age, and you guys need to do it as well. Iron your clothes. I know this new generation is all about using the steamers and stuff like that. No, go back to the roots, okay? Iron your clothes. Trust me, the amount of times that I saw someone who actually had a good fit, the fit was good. The fit was fitting, but they had all these wrinkles and stuff like that, and it just made it look worse. You don't want to be that guy who steps out on the function and it looks like people can tell you just threw it in the dryer for like 5 minutes. We're not doing this in 2024. Press your clothes, or I'm gonna be pressed. And when I get pressed, I'm gonna press you. Yeah, pause. Now this next tip will take your style to a whole different level. Wear thicker clothes. I used to shop at H&M a lot, and my biggest mistake when it came to building my wardrobe, getting these clothes that were very cheap, very thin, and they did not last long at all. These are the clothes that are gonna have the holes in them in a few months that you're eventually just gonna wear around the house because you can't wear them outside. And all of that could have been avoided if I just put up a little bit more bread when it came to building my outfit, getting my wardrobe, and get thicker, more higher quality clothes. Now, it doesn't need to be super expensive. For example, this shirt, I love this shirt. It was like 45 bucks. at Zara. I've had the shirt for an entire year and I know it will last even longer because it's a little bit more higher quality. It looks like it can actually survive the test of time. Not only that, thicker clothes, texture clothes will actually look better on you because it has that little bit of luxury to it. You know those super thin t-shirts where you look at a guy and you can basically see his nips through it, and then you kind of look at him and you're just like, I don't know about that one, chief. Get thicker clothes. It will look better on you. You will look better than most of the people in your generation who are wearing these thin pieces of napkin. And if you like this video, you definitely gonna like this one. So I advise you check it out. That's all for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.